Bloomsday by Fontaines DC. They're playing this part with the slide. That's the riff. It's being played in the chorus part. Anyways, Bloomsday is like a where they have a festival in Dublin celebrating James Joyce and a famous book he wrote, and they like kind of reenact it. But it's a big party day. Right, so let's go over those three things. F, G minor at the 3rd fret, E flat at the 6th fret, back to G minor. Then there's that little slide part. It's at 13, but you can think of that as like the F, right? Just one octave up. Yeah, so 13, 10, 11 on the top 2 strings. And then we're playing this riff that plays during the chorus. Well, let's play that part first. That's the first part of the riff. After you go to the first part, then you go open D. Play that twice on the 1st fret on the D string, 1 on the A, 3 on the G. So I'll be something like that. You're playing all on 3 and 1, and then you throw an open A and open D in there. Just mess around with it, you'll get it. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.